This shorts thumbnail style gets more views. Full tutorial on Mozart Touch Pro. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mozart Touch Pro. In this video, I will show you how to design a professional YouTube Shorts thumbnail cover using Photoshop. This tutorial is very simple and beginner friendly. Let's get started. Create short size. First, create a new document. Go to File, then click New. For YouTube Shorts, use the size 1080 by 1920 pixels. This is vertical format 9 by 16. Now click Create. Now let's design the background. First, I add a solid color. I choose a dark color to make the text more visible. Next, I add another solid color layer. This time, I choose a lighter color. Select this layer, add a mask, and then invert the mask using Ctrl+I. Now select the brush tool. Hold Alt and right click to change the brush size and hardness. Click once in the center to create a smooth lighting effects. Now I import one background image to add more details. Please embed the image and scale it to fit the canvas. Go to the layer panel and change the blending mode to overlay. This image gives the background a more professional look. A clean background is very important for short thumbnails. Now I add one ellipse shape in the center of the background. I change the color to a gradient. On one side, I use light yellow, and on the other side, dark yellow. Change the angle from 90 degree to 0 degree. Double-click the layer and open Layer Style. Select Inner Glow. Change the blend mode to Color Dodge. Adjust the opacity and change the color to orange. Now enable Outer Glow. Change the blend mode to Overlay. Increase the size to around 250. Click OK. Delete any extra layers and group. And group all background layers into one folder. Rename the folder to Background. Now let's create a warning strip design. Select the rectangle tool and draw a shape. Apply a gradient using yellow and orange colors. Create another small rectangle with dark black color and place it on top. Duplicate this shape multiple times and move them upward. Select all these layers and group them into one folder. Double-click the folder and add Bevel Emboss from Layer Styles. Adjust the setting like this. Now zoom out and see how nice it looks. Next, I will create a YouTube play button. Using the rectangle tool, draw a shape and change the color to red. Bring this shape to the top of the layers panel. Now create a play icon shape above it and keep it white. Select both shapes, right-click and convert them to a smart object. Select the Magic Eraser tool and remove the white shape. Now create another white shape under the button for background support. Double-click the button layer and open Layer Style. Adjust bevel and emboss setting. Adjust the setting like this. Change the shadow values slightly. Adjust the setting like this. And use black and white colors. Now enable inner glow and adjust the setting until it looks good. Adjust the setting like this. Duplicate the YouTube play button and place it on both sides. Now let's add the main subject. This can be a person, object, or screenshot. I remove the background using Select Subject. Convert the subject layer to a smart object. Then bring it into the main project file. Place the subject in the center and make it big and clear. Now I apply the camera raw filter. I adjust the color and lighting. Adjust the setting like this. You can see the image looks much better now. Apply the filter. Now I duplicate the warning strip shape. One copy goes behind the subject and one copy goes on top. Now everything looks balanced and clean. Finally, I move the YouTube play buttons to the top and apply motion blur. This gives a very nice dynamic effect. Add text, most important. Now let's add text. For YouTube Shorts thumbnail, very short text. Only 2 or 3 words work best. Use a bold font so it is readable on mobile. Good fonts give better result. High contrast color like white or yellow work best. Good text helps people. Stop and watch. Now I add final touches. I also adjust brightness and contrast. This makes the thumbnail looks clean and professional. Now your YouTube Shorts cover is ready. So this is how you can design a professional YouTube Shorts thumbnail cover. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to Mujza Pro. More useful tutorials are coming very soon.